I can't pay my PAYE tax bill, what are my options? As an employer, you have a duty to collect PAYE from your employees' salary payments and forward these to HMRC. Not doing this on time can result in penalties from HMRC, and a complete failure to do so could suggest deeper problems within the company. There are repayment options available to companies who are struggling, but if HMRC are just one of a number of creditors, you could look towards closing your company down. Employers should be reporting PAYE information to HMRC in real time, and it should be paid on the 22nd of the next tax month for those who pay monthly. Those paying quarterly should pay on the 22nd after the end of the quarter. What happens if I don't pay or can't pay? It's down to the limited company to sort out PAYE for their employees and to pay it before an employee has received their salary. If you can't pay the amount of PAYE due, HMRC will look to charge penalties for late payments as well as interest, and will look to escalate the costs the more times you've had late payments. Ultimately, HMRC can look to wind up your company and force you into liquidation if your arrears get too problematic. What if there are greater problems? A failure to pay PAYE suggests that you could be having serious cash flow issues. Tax money should always be used for tax and not be put towards any other parts of the company. Ignoring any problems won't help at all, and even if a failure to keep up with PAYE is a sign of a greater issue, it is still vital to communicate with HMRC. Cash flow issues such as not being able to pay tax likely suggest that there are much larger problems, and HMRC could just be one of the many creditors. If you can't pay your PAYE arrears and are worried about the potential consequences, it's vital to act quickly and look for help. We provide free, confidential advice and can look at the problems you're facing and any of the bigger issues your company could have. Help to continue to trade. A time to pay arrangement with HMRC will allow you to make outstanding PAYE payments through monthly instalments that last for 12 months. Company Voluntary Arrangement, or CVA. This is a formal repayment plan which pulls together all of your creditors and allows you to repay them in monthly instalments. Close your company down and walk away. If the troubles you're having paying your PAYE bill are down to cash flow issues and you're having bigger problems, it could be the moment to close your company down. This, however, has to be done through the correct process of a Creditors Voluntary Liquidation, a CVL. This will see your company formally closed down with the sale of all company assets used to pay the remaining creditors you owe. In summary, if you can't keep up with your PAYE bill, it's important to look at the reasons behind your company's inability to pay the liability. Not being able to pay can result in fines and penalties from HMRC, increasing the problem. Repayment plans can help aid you if you're simply having a difficult time, but bigger problems might suggest the company needs to be closed down. If you're facing any of these issues and you'd like further advice, either click the links along with any of the videos we've provided, or of course, reach out to us anytime for a confidential conversation.